Welcome back. We got the tractor. I'm at a box. We got 2 eggs. I'm gonna do an old radiator stop leak trick with eggs. This thing is still leaking fluid. And we got a new box in, so because this is still leaking down in here somewhere, I'm not sure if it's the thermostat housing or if it's actually the water pump housing, so the gasket might be bad. So I'm just gonna dump in 2 eggs, let the truck get hot while we get a mover to get the box on. So you put the eggs in when it's cold so it can circulate through and get all to the different spots. So when it does heat up, that it starts congealing and we'll go into the spots that it's leaking. So let's see if we can get the box on. This one should fit on, but we'll see. So we got it on. We definitely got to make new supports and stuff for it. But I think it's going to rain later today. Wanted to get it on. It was too late the other night when I was filming to take the box off. So now we got it on. Put it back in the garage. You can definitely see she's still leaking. The egg will take a while. If not, then we'll have to try something else. We did break one of the vent lines in here, but that's gonna happen because it's all rusted. We're definitely gonna have to make that new bracket. These have got to come up maybe that much more, so everything clears on the frame rails. So we'll get this in the shop. The truck's not overheating, still leaking. We'll deal with that in a little bit or later. Oh, and the next thing we'll be doing, making the brackets so this can sit here. Try to get the wiring all hooked back up, and these we might get new ones just so we have the plug attachments, because I don't have the plug attachments on those. And then we can cut some wood for this and stuff like that. Get a new muffler and the back pipe, because that's pretty much just rattling. So far we're getting there. This thing should be pretty fun in the woods, especially once we get new tires for it. So we got some grippies, and then figure out the leaking part, because that's probably just the thermostat. I probably didn't get it on right or something. So I got to take that apart again. I'll take it apart. For now, that's where we're at. So soon we'll make some brackets and start getting that secure. Alright, so we're getting there on the box. Almost this side done. Just welding that side up, and then we can add a little crane thingy. So let me get these 2 sides welded back in, And then we can put that piece in. Now we're going to get that welded in, because that will fit the crane piece sitting over there. So let's get that welded in. Oh, what do you do on the gun? It got clogged. Oh, I can weld it. My little piece. Alright, well, let's get that piece on now. where that goes. Okay, that makes sense now. See if we can find a handle and see if it jacks up. Let's see if this goes up. Hey, it's going up. Pretty cool. That's not bad. This part comes out. Nope. Of course not. Why would that come out, right? Bet you that's pretty well stuck. Hammer, 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 hammer. Well, we're gonna have to spray that down, so. We'll get some PV blaster, blast the shit out of that. Leave that there. Put our pin in. Okay. Only halfway, of course, figures. That pin still works, so. Inside the truck. Well, that gives us our jack. Our crane for lifting. So the next thing on the project on this for later, so now we got the bed on, we can take it outside. Got to order the new tail lights for it, or reverse lights, some extra ones for up top, and then we'll get a Probably a 1,500-pound winch for this as well, just because that would be handy to have it, mounted here. So once we get the telescoping part to start sliding in and out, so we can rotate it and use it. Well, for right now, at least I'll be able to pick some stuff up and try to get it on the bed, give or take. But it's on. It's just all welded in. It's not very pretty, but that should hold. And then we can start making our boards, because I need to have it by the sawmill so I know exactly what thickness boards I need to cut. They got to be 6 foot to fit the box. And then, like, the other thing we got to do still the thermostat, because we didn't get that in completely. But she's holding water. She leaks a little bit down there, so she ain't terrible. She still starts and runs. So I'll move this out, and I can bring in the next customer's car, what I've got to do this week. So until next time.
Later.